The Lincoln Navigator SUV features tri-zone automatic climate control, which allows occupants to customize the cabin environment for optimum comfort. From the climate controls located at the bottom of the center touchscreen, you can adjust the cabin climate. There are independent controls for setting temperatures and seats. You can also adjust fan speed, auto level, activate max defrost or rear defrost, and manually control your air conditioning. To access additional climate controls, press the center button with the arrow to open the climate drawer. The heated steering wheel control can be accessed through the left heated ventilated seat icon. The air registers are electromechanical, meaning the direction of the vents is controlled through the center screen. Press the center icon on the bottom of the touchscreen to bring up the air register control screen. Each register is identified by a wavy airflow button overlaid on the dash of the vehicle. Dragging and moving this button will allow you to place where you want the air directed. Tapping this button will allow quick access to close open airflow at this location. When you move or interact with the register screen, presets will be presented to you at the bottom of the screen. From those presets, you can move the registers to predefined locations. On body will blow air from the registers towards your body, and off body will blow air away from your body. To control the rear air, tap the rear tab when it appears on the air register screen. You can adjust the rear fan speed from the fan controls as well as the temperature with the left and right arrows. From the front row center screen, you can lock out the rear controls if desired when there are children in the second row. Just tap the rear climate button with the lock icon. It's also possible to use voice commands for climate functions. Using Google Assistant, you can ask to turn the climate control on or off, adjust the temperature, recirculate the air, adjust fan settings, and turn the heated seats, heated steering wheel, and defrosters on or off.
You simply say, "Hey Google, change the temperature to 68 degrees.
Okay, changing the temperature to 68 degrees.
Rear seat passengers may control their own climate environment from the second row control screen. They can change the airflow speed, set the temperature, direct the airflow, and turn on automatic operation as well. Thank you for watching.